So now let's see how we can work around with the grid block inside of wordpress.com. So to add that in, I'm just going to go around onto the end right here onto the block section on my WordPress editor and then click on the plus button right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I'm going to type in grid, and over here you can see that grid block just pops up right here. If I were to go ahead and click this, then what I can do is I can simply go ahead and add in, let's say for example, different elements right here onto the block. So I can go ahead and add in block right here, and then I can choose paragraph, let's say for example, then I can simply go ahead and say sample text right here, and you can see that this is a paragraph right here. I can go ahead and click on the plus button to add in other elements as well, just like this. So this works similar to the groups and row and stack block right here, but you can see that it's more in a different order. I'm just going to go around and say sample button right here, just like this, and over here you can see that this is what you have. You got the sample button right here. Then you can go ahead and add in another type of block right here as well. Let me just go ahead and select out an image right here because I selected out an image block. Now you can see that this is what you have. So you can see that this is what you have right here. This is the grid block that you have over here. So now let me just go around over here, and then over here on the top you can see that you can also go ahead and depending on the blocks that you added in, you can click on the plus button right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply say sample button 2 as well, and this is another block that you have right here. You can also go ahead and delete one block out as you want. So this is the grid block, and over here you can see that this is the maximum column width. As you click on this over here on the right hand side on the properties of the grid block, you can see that you can change around the number of columns right here just by dragging this. You can change around the position as well, and then so forth right here. You can change this out into other types of blocks as well, just like this. So right now the grid block is selected, but you can transform it into a stack, transform it into a row or a group block right here. So just like with any other block, you can change around the style for this particular block, as you can see right here, and change around the text color right here, just like this, and change around the background color as well as you want. You can also add in background image as you want right here as well. So let's just go around and add in this background, let's say for example, and that particular background image has been added in. You can change around the padding right here, just like this as well for the block right here. You can change around the margin for the block, and change around the spacing for the block as well, and change around the height for the block right here, change around the border as you can see right here, and change around the radius just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the grid block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe